Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you are well and have an amazing weekend. It's around 12 p.m. and the temperature is 31 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I am walking across a footpath beside Mohabandula Road in Yangon. Let's walk. This is Sunday atmosphere here in Yangon. Quite overcast condition now. There are various shops beside this footpath. There are lots of jewelry shop beside this road. As you can see, this is a jewelry shop. Over there, people are waiting for the bus. Various vendors selling various kinds of stuffs. This man is selling spectacles, a fruit stall. This is a jewelry shop. This is the life of Myanmar people on Sunday. This is public holiday in Myanmar. Various mobile clothing stores here. People are choosing clothing here. This man is selling various kinds of shorts here. Various clothing here. This is a restaurant. This is fruit salad stall. You can get various fruit salad here. You can get papaya, mango and other fruit salad. People are buying fruit salad here. This is another clothing store. People are choosing clothing here. This is a footpath beside Mohabandula Road. Various leather products here. You can get a wallet and belt here. Various shirts here. As you can see, this is a foot over bridge crossing Shuidagon Pagoda Road. That is Singapore Food Junction. Over there, that is traditional market, Burmese traditional market. This is Shui Dagon Pagoda Road. There are lots of jewelry shop beside this footpath. Some sunglasses here. As you can see over there, that is Thein Jije market. This is a traditional Burmese market. All kinds of traditional stuffs are available there. This is mobile phone accessories store. This is another jewelry shop. You can get various kinds of jewelry products here. Lighting store, a clothing store here. Various street foods here. This is downtown Yangon area. On the right side, this is Indian sweet named Royal Sweet. You can get various kinds of sweets here. These are some sweets. This lady is selling sweets. Over there some renovation work on progress. There are lots of old colonial era building in this area. On the right side, this is a grocery store. You can get various kinds of daily necessary stuffs here. You can get chips, bread, biscuit, soft drinks, etc. here. Most of Indian subcontinent origin people live in this area. On the right side, this is South Indian Tamil restaurant. You can get various kinds of South Indian food here. These are some foods: chicken curry, mutton curry, potato curry, etc. here. Chicken, how much?
Chicken
4,000. Mutton
2,500.
with rice, with set menu. Oh. How many item? How many item? Set menu. How many item? Yes.
3,500.
3,500. Okay. Okay, I'll come back and thank you. So that was a South Indian Tamil Hindu restaurant. People can taste Indian food here. This is another neighborhood named Busunpath Road. This is also busiest neighborhood. This lady is selling various fruits here. As you can see on the right side, this is Colonial era building. Now this is using as a office of MPT. This is Myanmar Post and Telecommunication office. The structure of this building is European style. Over there, that is 2,500 years old iconic landmark Sule Pagoda. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.